We're from ESB Networks and from the wider ESB. We're really pleased to be here at the AI Awards today and to have won the category of RPA. I think it's a really good example of how different parts of the business can come together to solve a business problem, data analytics, IT and the networks business. We're using AI at the moment for the deployments of smart meters. We're going to deploy about 2.3 million smart meters over the next 5 years, and AI is really important to us in order to handle the scale and the volume of the work that we need to do. It's just the start of our journey, and one of the good things about this is that it shows us all the different possibilities of AI as we go forward through the project, and also the use of AI not just in IT and in analytics itself in ESB, but in the more heavy engineering parts of the business. We thought the event was really, really good today, not just because we won an award, but we learned a lot about where AI has been used in other parts of, in other utilities that are similar to us, in telecoms utilities, and I think we learned a bit about how different parts of the industry are coming together as well. We have academia, we have recruitment. Obviously AI is a new area for recruitment as well, and in practical applications of AI in our industry and others.